Alright, so I just got my hair done. I just came from getting my hair done. And I'm about to open up these two packages I got from Target. They have some gifts in it that I ordered for my mom and my sister to go with the rest of their gifts that I bought. And I'm about to open it on camera and show it to you guys. Okay, so this is the first one. Let's see what's in here. Oh, I know what this is. Oh, these are cute. Yes, ma'am. I ordered her some socks. I don't know if y'all can see the socks, but they have glitters and stuff. Two different colors. Cause she asked for these, not this kind for Christmas, but she asked for some socks for Christmas. So got that. And I also got her this pajama set right here. Cause my mom always looking for pajamas and stuff. So I got this for her. It's great. Okay, so that's what's in there. I think that's it right here. Okay, time for the big box. Let's open up the big box. Other pair of socks I got for her. They're fuzzy. That's the next one. Okay. Oh man. I got this for Noah, but I think I accidentally bought two. Or did they give me two? Let me look at my bill was pretty high. Let me look at my receipt. I hope I didn't order two of the same things. Lord. Okay, so I didn't order two of the same things. It's just they sent me two on accident. It's okay though. It's okay. I think I might take it back and exchange it for something, or tell them, or I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but I'm gonna let y'all know what I do with it. Okay, so the next thing I ordered, there's dates in here. This Target bag. Ooh, I ordered my mom's favorite mascara right here. Yep. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's not focusing. But her favorite mascara, I ordered that. I ordered Noah some e.l.f. Ooh. Some e.l.f. lip gloss because she always asking, can she use our lip gloss? So I bought her own. Yes, boo, you got your own lip gloss, baby. Yep, I got that for her. And I got my mom this red lipstick. If you know my mom, she always, I'm whispering because she's in the room next door. If you know my mom, she always wears red lipstick. So I got this for her. I don't know, it looks like a pretty red. I'm not gonna open it. I'm gonna save it for her to open, and she let me know if she like it or not, but I'm pretty sure she can wear it anyway because that's how my mom is. Let me show y'all the rest of the stuff that I got for them. Okay, so in this Victoria's Secret bag right here, I got my mom this pink shirt. Pink, cause she was looking at it, and it has the word pink on the arms and stuff. She was looking at it in the store, and I went right behind her and I picked the same shirt up she was looking at. Smart, right? And then for Noah's like a girly girl sometimes, and sometimes she can be a little tomboy. I got her this purse right here. Can y'all see it? I feel like the light is too bright. I got her this purse right here. There we go. And then it got chain. Yep. And then it has sparkles on the bag. Cute, right? Cute. Yes, ma'am. I hooked them up. And then the last item I got for her. So Noah likes JoJo, and she also likes the colors. So I got her this right here, so she can color the bow, and it's also JoJo. So just gonna make her extra happy right there. And that's pretty much all the gifts I got for them. I might pick up a few items, or this might be all that I'm tired because I'm whispering and trying to move fast before one of them will open up the door. But this might be all the items I get for them for Christmas, and I hope they like these items. And Merry Christmas to everyone out there. Mommy and Noah, I just want to let y'all know that I love y'all, and I just gotta go shopping for my stepdad. After I go shopping for him, I'm gonna add the gifts and stuff in this video. I'll see you guys once I pick his items up.